So it doesn't start with AI, it starts with finding a problem and then you providing the solution. But first find the product, you're going to look at restaurants that are working alongside your area, schools answering the same problems every day, clinics booking appointments manually, companies spending hours replying to WhatsApp messages. So after finding those problems, that's when you say that this is where AI comes in. And then for example, you're going to find a way of building for them a custom solution for that. For example, an AI custom chatbot, AI voice assistant, AI automation, AI website, or even AI content creation. So you narrow it down to one niche for now, for one solution, solve one problem. And then later on, after you have scaled, you're going to actually add all these products into one and bring out the AI agency as well. So the second option is now you start researching for the opportunity. Yeah, you can use tools like ChatGPT, Cloud, Perplexity. Then through this, you're going to find out who has this problem, how much can they spend to solve it, and can you provide a solution for it. Then after researching for the problem, the next option you're going to do, create your brand. For here, you're going to use tools like Canva for logo, Coolers for color. So after that, after you've created your brand, the next option now is you're going to build an online presence. Remember, right now, we have not even developed the product yet, but this can happen in a period of just one week. So after getting your brand, you're going to go and build your online presence. So this is where the first option I would recommend if you're going to start for local businesses. The first option is always Google My Business or Google Business Profile. Go ahead and search it up. It is free. If you don't know how to do it, go ahead and search on YouTube. There are lots of videos on how you can create a Google My Business for your business. So from Google My Business, you're going to create a website for yourself. This one, you can use the Canva. You can use AI website builders. You can use the WordPress or any other tool. There's a detailed video. I think I'll leave it somewhere here. Detailed video that will show you how you can create a website where I compare around 7 AI tools, and then I also design myself. So go ahead and watch it out and create yourself a website. Then from there, you're also going to need a custom email for your business. Not a Gmail. Business has to have its own email. So the advantage of Google Business Profile is that when someone Googles you, automatically you're most likely to rank the first page. And even if you had your own website, because website is too competitive, but have a Google My Business, they will definitely find your business. From there, the next step now, you're going to go and set up communication. How do they reach out to you? This one, you're going to create social media accounts. For example, you have to go to Instagram, depending on your region, but I would recommend in this order: WhatsApp, X, LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube. If you're going to create some visuals and videos, and then the last one is Instagram. The rest I don't care about them, but go ahead and create like 1 or 2 or 3 from this. So let's say you've done all that in even a day or two. It doesn't take time. The next step you're going to do is building the AI solution. Let me say you've narrowed it down now to AI chatbot. You're going now to build a chatbot that can help them out. But I've also created a detailed video. Now you can create yourself a chatbot. I've used tools like Chatling and WordPress. However, for Chatling, can even work on WhatsApp. Go ahead and look for that video. It's in my channel. I think I'll put it somewhere here that you can go ahead and learn how to actually create a chatbot. If you want a chatbot for the website, you can use tools like, you can use APIs. I've already described how you can get an API for free. Also, this channel, there's a video on that. Go ahead and create your own customer chatbot. If you don't know how to create it, comment "I don't know," and then I'll go ahead and create a little video or tutorial that can guide you, and then you can actually create the solution. But there are tons of videos online on YouTube that you can actually go ahead and learn how to provide this solution. So for automation, you can use tools like N8N and Make. Then for content, you can always use Canva and CapCut for graphics and video editing. Because definitely you're going to publish these videos of your product, how your chatbot works, and people would want to see a video of it or custom graphic for it. So go ahead and use this tool properly. And also don't use one app for everything. These tools are designed in such a way that one tool is good at a certain task. So for example, research you can use Perplexity, but brainstorm you can use ChatGPT or Cloud. Canva you can use for specifically graphics, but can create a video but specifically graphics. If you want a video, I would recommend CapCut. So these tools all combine one in one. The most important asset or the most important skill you must have is that combining all these tools together and using it to provide one service. So after you've built your AI solution, the next step is now market. And this is where most businesses go wrong. This is where most businesses fail. So you can create content showing before and after, AI demonstrations or demos, client case studies, tips, shorts, YouTube videos, expos, LinkedIn posts, whatever you know or whatever you can do. Go ahead and create it out on your product and put it on social media out there. If you have some small money, you can go ahead and boost it. And as I've said before, for this, you're going to use tools like CapCut, Canva, and ChatGPT for writing for the script. Or even 11 Labs. There are lots of tools that I talk about in this channel, and they're also available on my website. Go ahead and check them out on how they do. So the next step, you're going to go get some clients. Through marketing, as I've said before, and even through cold emails, WhatsApp outreach, local businesses, referrals, your website, your YouTube audience. If you already have an audience, And the last step is scaling it. This is the most difficult part, but once you get 1 or 2 clients, the next option now you have to do is now scale. Go ahead and build templates. Go ahead and minimize repetitive tasks. Hire freelancers even if you can, or a friend of yours who knows how to do video editing well. Go ahead and hire him. So that comes to the end of the video. If you want a more detailed video, please comment detailed video or detailed tutorial. Then I'll go ahead and create a more detailed tutorial. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and liking the video. And if you got any small value from it, please consider liking it. And then I'll catch you in the next one.